There was a little boy named Liam, and he was 3 just like you. Liam loved playing with his neat toys and running under the nice sun. One sunny morning, Liam saw a nest in a tree. "Look, Nana, a nest with a nightingale," Liam said, pointing at the new nest. Liam and his Nana took a nature walk. They saw a snail inching along. "Nifty snail!" Liam giggled as it moved its nose. In the afternoon, Liam helped Nana make some nice noodles. Liam counted 9 noodles in his bowl. After lunch, Liam played with a noisy toy. The toy played notes when Liam pressed the buttons. Some notes were loud, some were soft. At story time, Liam picked a book about the night sky. "Nana, the moon and stars are neat," he whispered with twinkling eyes. "Time for bed," Liam yawned. He hugged Nana goodnight and nestled into his bed, dreaming of moons, stars, and things that begin with N.